My name is Darren Gertis, and by the time you've completed this tech training, you'll be more than ready to make it happen. So as we look forward to the next semester, we're going to have to course copy our courses into the new semester's shell. So what we're going to do is a couple of things. We're going to go and we're going to open the course for the next semester. But when we do that, what we're going to find out is that it comes up blank like you see here. There's nothing here, and that was intentional. Now to fix this, you're going to go into Community, and you're going to go to Academic Technology. You're going to scroll down and go to Blackboard Master Templates. And once you're here in Master Templates, you're going to look at the type of template that you're going to want to use, either 7-week or 14-week. 7-week for the graduate mostly, and 14-week for regular on-campus kind of classes. So we're going to grab this template. Now open this file. I show in folder, and I just place this on my desktop. Now let's go back to our Blackboard course, open that course, and you see that it's blank. So we're going to go to Packages and Utilities, click on that, and we're going to go to Import Package. Click on Import Package, click on Import Package one more time. Now we're going to select the package and we're going to browse our computer. I just placed it on the desktop, and we see Master. Click on that and click Open. Okay, now from here we're going to select all. Just going to select all, let it upload everything, and click Submit. Now Blackboard will begin to auto-populate this course shell, but it'll take a little bit for it to work. So this just pops up, and in just a few moments it'll auto-populate the entire Blackboard shell. So the new template is here, and this is what you're going to be using as you move forward. But if you have a previous course from which you were working in a previous semester that you want to transfer, it's a pretty easy process. Let's open a new window, open Blackboard, go back into your list of courses. Now what I'll do is just control and find the course. Here it is. So here's the last time I taught the course. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down, and you see the menu is very different. So I'm going to course copy over what we have, and then I'm going to have to do some pruning and fixing and moving things into the right place. But all I'll do is hit Package and Utilities. I will course copy. Now my destination course is Busy 624. Now I'm going to place this in a new course. Click Submit. And again, I'm going to bring over all my content areas and all my announcements, blogs, calendars, etc. I'm essentially going to take everything here. What I'm not going to, and including my test and wikis and tasks, all those things are going to come over. What I'm not going to include are enrollments in the copy. Do not do that, okay? And then I'm going to click Submit. Now, the same process is going to happen where I'm going to go back to the new course that has these other things in it, and these new menus are going to emerge. Now, that just emerged. You see some of the old pieces that have come in. So I used to have things in weekly course content like this, and I'm going to have to now start to move this into week 1 and this into week 2, and etc. Now I can't just directly copy everything. I'm going to have to move things around piece by piece, but if you go into here and click copy, or actually even better, if I were to go inside it and go into read and review and select the materials for week 1, and then here click copy, I can move it right into where I want to move. Here's browse, and week 1 read and study, and submit. And it's going to take a little bit to get things in line exactly like I want it to be this first time, but pretty soon I'll have everything back under control, and then in the future I don't need to move the template. I can just course copy as I was doing in the past. So that's it.
At this point, you should be ready to make it happen, but if you still need help, please feel free to contact me.